Howdy, partners! Saddle up for another ride through the unforgiving landscape of the Datto Ranch. That's right, we're diving deep into everything we know about Yellowstone Season 5 Part 2. Release date: mark your calendars, because the Duttons return on 10th November 2024. That's right, we finally have a confirmed date to see John Datto and his crew face down their enemies. Episode count: the number of episodes for Season 5 Part 2 remains a mystery, but Season 5 Part 1 had 8 episodes, so that's a good bet. Filming: thankfully, filming for the final episodes wrapped up recently, so we can expect a smooth ride to the season finale. Creators: this new Western masterpiece is brought to life by the talented Taylor Sheridan, who also created shows like 1883 and Mayor of Kingstown. Cast: we can expect to see our favorite ranch hands return, including Kevin Costner as the formidable John Datto, Kelly Rayleigh as the fierce Beth Datto, and Cole Hauser as the brooding Rip Wheeler. The rest of the Datto clan and their allies will likely be back in the saddle. Plot: while plot details are scarce, Season 5 Part 1 left us with major cliffhangers. John is critically injured after an assassination attempt, and Jamie may have finally crossed a line that even his father can't forgive. Will John recover? Will Jamie pay for his betrayal? We will also see how the Duttons handle the ever-growing threats to their land and legacy from developers, the reservation, and rival ranches. Final season? This is where things get bittersweet. Yes, Season 5 is the final season of Yellowstone. But fear not, Datto fans. There's already a prequel series, 1883, exploring the Datto family's origin story, and a sequel series is in the works to pick up where Season 5 leaves off. Let's talk theories. Who do you think is behind the attack on John? Will Beth's ruthlessness finally backfire? Could Jamie find redemption, or is he destined to become the villain? Share your theories in the comments below. This season promises to be an explosive one. We've seen the Duttons face down wolves, environmentalists, and rival ranchers. But Season 5 upped the stakes with a near-fatal attack on John himself. The Datto Ranch is under siege, and the family is more fractured than ever. Can they overcome these challenges and protect their legacy? You can catch up on all previous seasons of Yellowstone on Peacock Premium. And mark your calendars for 10th November to witness the Datto family's fight for survival on the Paramount Network. Yellowstone isn't just a show, it's an experience. It takes us to a world of breathtaking beauty and raw emotion. We root for the Duttons, even when they make terrible decisions. We feel the sting of betrayal, the thrill of victory, and a constant threat of violence. Season 5 Part 2 promises to be a wild ride filled with action, suspense, and moments that will leave you speechless. If you love westerns, family dramas, and shows with high stakes, then Yellowstone is a must-watch. The characters are complex, the scenery is stunning, and the writing is top-notch. Season 5 Part 2 is the culmination of everything we've been waiting for, so don't miss it. Well, partners, that's all we know about Yellowstone Season 5 Part 2. If you're excited to see the Duttons back in action, smash that like button and subscribe for more Western content. And don't forget to share this video with your fellow Yellowstone fans. See you on the trail.